Alright, so here we have like a little unit up here running. This is an Amana. It's an old unit. Holy crap, the panel's off. That's dangerous. Little unit. It's an old vintage unit right here. I don't know what it's from. It's an Amana, as you can see right here. It's an old beast. It's another old beast just like that one over there. And here is a Lennox Merit series unit running. This thing's pretty dirty. That's probably a Copeland. It probably has a Copeland scroll. There's a, I don't know what that is. It's pretty dirty. 2018 3-ton. And it's probably all, that's all cold and sweaty. Filter jars. Yeah. So I've never seen a unit like that up there before. Here's a Lennox Merit unit running. So yeah, both running. I don't know if it's heat pump or an air conditioner. I'll just call it an air conditioner. Alright, so thank you for watching and over and out.